Easy go.
Hey guys, it's Thunder back with another Call of Duty mobile video. So I'm so sorry guys that I've not been uploading many videos because it's like been a month, 2 months, or a whole season or 2 seasons now. I'm not sure I've uploaded any videos. No, I have uploaded videos in season 8. So basically now it's season 9. Yeah. And I want to show you this gunsmith loadout. As you've read the title, this gun has absolutely no recoil. And that's right. This gun does not have any recoil. The gun is actually an AK-47, as I say over here. So let's just get into the gunsmith build. Okay. So for starting a gunsmith, before showing you all the gunsmith attachments, I'll show you the statistics of the gun. So our accuracy is gone up to 90, mobility is 49, range is 67, and controls are 58. So nobody cares that much of mobility because you can just put the lightweight perk on. Yeah. So let's start. So for the barrel, we're gonna be rocking the OVC Marksman. It will increase ADS bullet spread accuracy, damage range, and lateral recoil stability. So that means it will just give it more accuracy, and the recoil will be very easy to control. But the minus pointers are movement speed and ADS speed. Nobody cares that much about movement speed, as I told you. So next you have red dot sight. So if you want, you can put the red dot sight, and if you don't want the red dot sight, that's okay, completely up to you. Some people prefer with the red dot sight, while other people prefer without the red dot sight, because the AK-47's iron sight is pretty dope. So this is the optic. Sorry guys if my voice is a little low and I'm not that excited because I have really stuffy nose. I'm kind of sick. So yes, MIP strike stock is gonna be our stock for this AK-47. ADS bullet spread accuracy. So I'm just gonna read the plus pointers. ADS bullet spread accuracy, flinch stability, lateral recoil stability. So flinch stability is basically when somebody's shooting you, you go kind of sideways, right? So then it will control that and you'll stay in one position. ADS bullet spread accuracy, so when you're shooting the gun side by side, then it'll go in one position. So radical recoil stability, that's basically just going to control the recoil. Oh my friend. So for our laser is going to be OVC laser tactical. It will increase the ADS speed and ADS bullet spread accuracy. So this build is mainly focusing on accuracy and recoil control. If you've seen the title, the recoil, like there's absolutely no recoil in this gun. It's just like a term of saying that yes, there is recoil, but the recoil is pretty low. Okay, guys, under barrel we're gonna be rocking the Ranger foregrip, increased pointers, a vertical recoil control, ADS bullet spread accuracy. So, sorry guys, I'm just moving a lot. So, vertical recoil control, there's vertical and horizontal. Horizontal, I believe, slanting like sleeping, and vertical is like a straight line. So yeah, so if you're going to shoot from top to bottom, then this attachment or Ranger foregrip will be very good for you. ADS bullet spread accuracy, as I have explained it to you. It's ADS bullet spread accuracy is when you're moving the gun side to side to kill an enemy. The spread, it will be increased into one position. So the people in India, I welcome you to Call of Duty Mobile. This is one of the guns which you will get while playing the game. I highly recommend you to continue the game. The people who are playing PUBG and watching this in India, so this is what you need to do. For customization, no need for that, but I'm just going to say my reticle is going to be the default one, and the charm smoke grenade, which the charm smoke grenade you can get through some seasonal events. I believe it's called the rocket arm seasonal event, but yeah, sorry y'all. Okay, now basically we're going to have for our secondary, we're going to have the MW11 Undead Crusade. In this new season, it's been very easy to upgrade guns, but if you're using the weapon XP cards, I think Call of Duty Mobile should not do the thing which they just did right now. Like suppose if you have 4000 XP cards, it will be decreased to I think like 400. I'm not sure. So for the MW11, we have 4.5 tack long, OVC laser tactical, granulated grip tips. So let's start about telling you what do these do. ADS bullet spread accuracy, damage range. So I don't need to explain ADS bullet spread accuracy again. I think you know it. Damage range. So like the farther it gets, the damage gets more, or the closer it gets. No, basically the farther it gets, the damage increases, and it will decrease ADS speed. That means how the time you take to look in ADS. OVC laser tactical. This does like a lot of good things to the weapon. So ADS speed, it'll increase it, so then you can look faster. ADS scope in more faster. ADS bullet spread accuracy. So I don't know, but I think I'm just not gonna explain this whenever it comes. Only visible laser sight. That means you won't be able to see the laser, which if you see the laser, it's kind of confusing. So I do not like the laser sight, the green or red laser. So then we have granulated grip tips. Triple grip tip, it will minus the accuracy, but the mobility will be increased to 98. So then I focused on putting the accuracy a bit better. So ADS bullet spread accuracy and ADS movement speed. So basically when ADS movement speed is when you're scoping in and you're moving side to side or forward to backward. So it will just decrease that. Now we're done with our secondary and our primary. Now let's go to the other things, which your choice. We're going to be rocking the Kruger Alchemist skin. You can get this in the Season 7 Battle Pass, but you cannot get it now because Season 7 has already been passed. This is the Hive Operator. I'm sure that I think I got this through the credit store. Yeah, if you're an OG and PUBG players, I don't think so you can get the Hive because it's like very bad. It's very like it was released in the past, and if you have joined now because of the ban which has been there in India and PUBG, so then you cannot get this. Trip mine, you can get it through leveling up. This is the Trip mine ammo box. You can use any skin you want really. You can change the lethal to whatever you want. I'm okay with it. I'm just going to use smoke grenade because smoke grenade is really useful. Suppose you're in 1 HP and the whole team is there, you can just pop a smoke grenade and just get out of there. Now I'll tell you a tip. So basically whatever the gun lacks of, it means it's very bad at, you can have a second chance at the perks. So the perks, suppose if the speed is really slow of you moving, you can put the lightweight perk which will increase your speed. And for our AK-117, AK-47, we'll use agile because the ADS speed is really slow. Vulture, cause then if you're gonna go for a nuke, then you don't need to get another weapon. Sharpnel, I don't know, you can use the blue perk. Dead Silence I recommend it, but I'm just going to use Sharpnel. yeah, basically that's it for the weapon setup. I'm sorry guys, but there's not going to be any gameplay. So yeah, now I'll tell you what this focuses on. Again, this gunsmith build focuses on the accuracy and the recoil stability. So how the recoil is good. So I really recommend you to use this gunsmith loadout because it has absolutely no recoil. I'm sorry you cannot see before you go, but I'm just recommending it to you. There won't be any gameplay in this, but if you want gameplay, you can tell me in the comments down below. I'll make the video again with some gameplay. So this is just gonna be for the video. I hope you enjoyed my video, and this is Thunder out. Bye guys.